There's been a lot of advancements in technology, network capability, CPU processing, delivery overall has improved significantly. Back in early 2000 timeframe, I'd argue we probably weren't there, and as a result you saw a lot of collaboration and technology, web conferencing and such, using very small pictures in the upper left corner that really didn't provide the engaging experience that we're able to do today. So has it arrived? I believe so. We're doing it constantly. I think this conference today is a good example. We're streaming in real time to people throughout the world across a variety of platforms, across a variety of different technology. And I think that's a good example of how far we've come in just the last few years with technology. ConnectSolutions has been focused on delivering to folks around the world. We've got a number of global organizations we work with who need us to deliver it on a Flash platform, on a Windows platform, on a mobile device, PC, etc. We're able to do that with great reliability. So I think we've come a long way. I think so. The results that we're able to deliver today in terms of quality, in terms of production value, the things that people commonly associate with TV broadcast, studio broadcast, we're able to do today with web-based and even desktop-based collaboration tools. I think that that's a really exciting prospect because you can take the quality of a TV broadcast and add the interactivity of the web, social capabilities, etc., to make for a really compelling and exciting experience that engages people and offers them all kinds of new ways to engage with whatever the content is that's being distributed through that channel. It's changed dramatically. You know, in the old days, you got a phone call, you picked that up, there was no face-to-face interaction. You talked with a stranger, perhaps a coworker who was regionally based, for potentially years without ever seeing them face-to-face. And there's been more than one case where I've noticed that with using our technology, we've linked up two people who have worked together for years and never actually seen each other. Inevitably, you find that that person that you had visually created in your mind is quite different from the person who shows up across the wire. So I think on a day-to-day basis, the ability to do desktop-based collaboration means that anybody, whether they're inside the firewall or at the corporate office or in a regional setting or even in the field, has the ability to engage in a meaningful way with video. So we see this completely transforming the way that employees work internally, the way they engage with their customers and partners externally. So it's pretty exciting and just makes for a better collaboration environment. There's no question that seeing somebody gives you a lot in terms of what they're really thinking, how they're reacting to the questions you're posing, and how you ultimately get business done. In the government space, the initiatives around open government and collaborating more directly with constituents, I think, is a great example of, or a great driver for video-based communications. And that's, again, something that we've had the opportunity to do at ConnectSolutions for quite a while now. It's pretty exciting. I think what we're doing here today is a great example of how all of these things are coming into play. You want to be able to deliver in real time, if possible, as well as on demand, the same content that you're sharing with people who had the opportunity to be here in person with those who couldn't make it for whatever reason. So being able to stream in real time and deliver that to audiences abroad is really powerful. When you then take into account social media capabilities, it's really exciting because not only can you have the direct dialogue that you would if you were here in person, but that reach and back channel extends far greater through the social graphs of those who are actually participating. We've seen direct results of that in our work with clients where through the use of Twitter integrations and Facebook integrations, we actually see significant participation increases as a result of people broadcasting the fact that they're participating in a real-time event using video, and it makes for a really engaging, exciting opportunity for people who couldn't actually be here in person. So I think going forward, any organization or any event has to take into account some kind of social media integration to extend their reach, and wherever possible be able to broaden the audience that can participate in real time through some of this online technology that folks like us are delivering.